As I just buy the brazier, I reach house, I won't use am. My mind just go say me I look wetin dey inside the brazier. As I touch am, I come dey feel something.
Hello my country people, una welcome back for this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we dey do celebrity news and social media wahala. If na the first time this way dey stop for this channel, or you dey come across my video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you take dey watch me, may God bless you as you take join inside this house. So my people, the matter wey we go talk inside today na about this our veteran Nollywood actress. Yes, she na actress wey don dey work for Nollywood since 1994, my people. So na veteran actress. This her senior man, if not president for AGN, don come out come confirm say she don let go. But the next matter we will go talk after this na about this one una dey see for una screen like this, where this lady don come out come shout to say make una be very careful with the kind matter wey una take dey buy from market to carry and put for her chest, my people. Say her breastwear wey she buy e come shocktalize her. Yes, but before we wan talk about am, make we condole with the family of late actress Chima Doris, my people. So this our Nollywood actor, a veteran actress, she don let go because of breast cancer. So according to wetin we take read, my people, na say she gets breast cancer for over 6 years now. They don't even comot her breast from her body, but since when they can't carry out the operation, now one complication to another. She does the waka for hospital, they stay on top sick bed for over 6 years, my beautiful people, until yesterday when she can't let go for her daughter house. So the news can come out with their AGN president come out come announce her. Yes, through phone call, say him dey very touched though. He dey very heartbroken because this one na lady wey she dey committed 247 when it comes to Nollywood, my people. Whether she take the sick or not, she won't represent. Say she be love her job with passion. We can't see am, we say we feel the pain because yet another Nollywood actor don let go like that. Una sabi say in an expense of 1 week, na 3 don go like this, say my people. The better matter the pain. So we don't come out for here say may we too come condole with the family. We know say it not easy as her fans and family members, they supposed feel the pain too. So we don't come for her condole, come say make her soul take rest in peace, make her family take die hard as they take the absorb the shock of her death, my people. So I don't know what to think about me, but I believe say una supposed write for comment section at least for take condole with the family. So the next matter we will go talk on top, my beautiful people, now about this lady we don't come out come cry. She say what she don't see by herself, it's too much. Say she don't go buy breastwear with her own money, but wetin she can't see inside, it can't pass her to talk. So she don't come out say I supposed to make video, may everybody take note, say now wetin this way take dey happen, my people. But before me want to talk about the matter, I go leave una the video, make una watch by una self what she take the talk about, and after that, my beautiful people, we go talk again. Make we watch together.
My brothers and my sister, make una see brazier when I buy. This brazier na today na I buy am. I see one video when one guy make when he say they say me that they check brazier before they wear am. As I just buy the brazier, I reach house, I won't use am. My mind just go say me I look wetin dey inside the brazier. As I touch am, I come dey feel something. Now we won't tear the brazier, we really see wetin dey inside this brazier. Because they say some people they put some chemical for inside bra, make they take they see say that they cause cancer. We be done they tear this one, so we don't see something for inside. Now I say make I record down, make I see show people what they see for brazier. When I see them, they won't kill the world though. We don't know where would they go. Now I need to be very careful. When I see them, don't know that if you use and carry them.
Just exactly as
see them, I beg this word not be the way we dey take am again, no be say they go again. No, anything when they buy, when they check and go to una pants, because we don't know where the world they go. They won't destroy the world. When I see am, see the thing. I beg, we dey beg una. Any brazier may you buy, may you dey check am. e better say you check am, you come check am. If e like say e no come let you wear, e good pass say you come dey wear wetin go come give you sickness. Come na see the thing. You no know wetin be this o. 3 seed dey inside. Na inside brazier na we for see am o. This one no be drama o. See am. I wan tear the other one. This one no be drama o. Girls, abeg, we dey beg una. Later dem say na wetin na yahoo boys na use dem do money. When girls dey pass through different thing. Later dem go say na wetin you put your hand. Na okpo work wey you do. Na you for go see am. Maybe na one alhaji sleep with you. Na you for get problem. Na lie. Abeg, we dey beg una. Make una see am. This one don even burst inside now. See the liquid. See, e don burst. You no know the kind liquid wey be this one. Make una dey very careful while we dey beg una o. Thank God for this media life wey come. Anything wey we see so that others go use am dey get sense. I no fit use my hand go move am. Una see am o. This thing no be drama o. Na Benin here for happen. For Okpaga for Enya here. Na it for happen. Make na see wetin we see for inside bra o. See wetin people put for inside bra. We dey beg una. Nobody know wetin dey use am mean. The kind sickness wey dem say make dey give theirself. Make dem dey use am dey give theirself. God will help the children of God. Make na see how the brazier fine. See am. A very fine brazier. No look say brazier when you buy e fine. No look say brazier when you buy na so e dey sexy. Make you not check am. Check am make you see anything. Make you see wetin dey inside. Na this one now we still get o. Who here abeg na forward this message to anybody wey still see am. Make dem say dey get sense o.
My country people, una don hear by una self how this lady don come out come dey talk and wetin she don see from her breast where, and she don remove am say make everybody take see. She even come talk say this one dey like e don burst o. Make una see wetin take dey happen o. My people, I see am say no, this one na for create awareness or na say na so dey take dey do all breastwear or na how o, bet na for say make we dey very careful with the breastwear the way we take dey buy all this one way e go take package come put am for her neck. Na so everything take dey up. Make we take dey very careful o. Yes, because we no know wetin take make it stand like that on top of her body. Anyways, my people, me no know wetin una think about this video, but I just like say make una write for comment section wetin una think about the video. If una like the video, make una give the video a thumbs up. Yes, and if you like what I can do for this channel, make you not forget for click on that red subscribe button for turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video you go be amongst the first to be notified. And if you like the video, still share with your friends and family. Make them know say na wait this way they happen. I will see you on my next video, and may God bless you as you take the support me. One love.